Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Dropbox for your Canon TS8351a. So first, when you're in an app, you need to go over to the browser and here log in to the printer using the same email and password that you used for the print app. And here in the apps category, choose Dropbox. Now in the Dropbox, we need to sign in. So let's click either Gmail, Apple or Google. It's all where you have an account. Let me click on my account and we should be okay. Now let's click continue. And we need to go over to the app again. So as you guys can see, now let me skip this and click allow. So as you guys can see, now we're being redirected to the Dropbox in Cloud Center. So that means everything went as we wanted. Now not the OneDrive, but the Dropbox. As you guys can see, we can easily print and scan from here. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.